Content marketing is what consumers want. Content was, is, and will always remain the king, but it is continuously evolving. According to Neil Patel Digital, content marketing costs 62% less, but it converts 3x more leads, 3 times more leads than its as compared to outbound tactics. This article also says that 70% of the consumers want to learn about a product through an article rather than an advertisement. So we know that content marketing is extremely important and we need to adapt ourselves to the changing times. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well, staying safe. You're going to get vaccinated, right? I'm Amrita Mishra. I'm a content writer and a social media management freelancer. And today we are going to talk about content marketing. We'll cover the 3 parts of content marketing, the steps involved in each one of them, and I'm also going to give you an example at the end of this video. So please watch this video till the end so that you don't miss out on anything, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon before we get started. So here are 3 parts of content marketing. First is the content strategy, content creation, and content promotion. Most people focus only on content creation, but let me tell you that all the 3 parts are equally important. So content strategy involves deciding on the following things. I name it as the H plus 3W format. So the first thing is H, which means that how are you going to create the content? You need to decide the format of the content, whether it's going to be a carousel post or a single image or a video or a podcast or a blog, whatever it is, or an infographic or a document, whatever it is, you need to decide how you're going to create the content. 3Ws means what, where, and when. So the what means what are you going to talk about? What do you want to be known for? What is your niche? What is your theme? It depends on who is your audience, right? So that is indirectly related. The second W is where do you want to post it? So what is going to be your primary channel? So a lot of people focus on different channels at the same time, but sometimes people also use this approach that they focus on one channel at a particular time, and when they have grown enough on that particular platform, they switch to another platform and start to build their audience there. The third W is when do you want to post it and promote it. So you can use a content calendar and you need to research about which posts work best at what platforms at what period of time on which days, right? So you need to do all that research and come up with a content strategy accordingly. The final thing you should do to create a content strategy or to design an effective content strategy is to analyze your existing strategy and decide what is working and what is not working and make changes accordingly. So these were a few things you need to keep in mind for content strategy. So the first thing is what is the format of the content that you want to post, whether it's an audio, video, or anything. The second thing is what do you want to talk about. Third thing is where do you want to talk about it, which platform. And the fourth thing is when do you want to talk about it. And finally, you need to analyze the strategy and make changes accordingly. Let's switch to the second part, which is the content creation. Here are the 5 things that you need to take care of in case of content creation, right? So first is the content structure. What will be the intro, what will be the content, what will be the outro. So content structure also includes the content itself, right? So I'm not mentioning it explicitly. The second thing is the caption or description that you're going to write for the content, because that is what people are going to read. That is what is going to explain them the entire concept of the content. The third thing is hashtags, because they will help in content discovery as well as they help to classify your content. Okay. And the final thing will be content scheduling. So it's not necessary that you always have to schedule your content. You can post it when at exact point of time that you want, but often our target audience might be in a different time zone, and that is why we might have to schedule our content accordingly, right? So I'll suggest some content scheduling tools. You can explore Buffer or Publer or Hootsuite. These are the top 3 tools that most people will recommend. So if you have any questions related to content creation, let me know in the comment section below and type growth if it makes sense to you. The third and the final one is content promotion. So there are four ways you can promote your content. So the first one is tell them the benefits, right? And this is the obvious one. You need to tell them why they should follow you, why they should subscribe to your channel, and what are the benefits they are going to get if they watch your content entirely, right? The second thing will be to tell them the value in your content. So you might think that value and benefits are the same thing, right? No, they are not. So let's just consider the example of a content scheduler. So a content scheduler helps you schedule the content, and the benefit it gives you is that it helps you reach your target audience at their preferred times. The third way you can promote your content is cross channel marketing. If you share this video with your friends on Facebook or on any other platform, then that is a cross channel, right? Because it is from YouTube to Facebook, or YouTube to Twitter, or YouTube to Instagram. Whatever it is a different channel altogether. And the final one is word of mouth. It is the oldest form of marketing. It is the oldest form of promotion, and it still works. It's still the best thing ever. So these are the four ways you can promote your content. So let's start with the example. So here I have created a Google document because it's easier to access on all three platforms, right? So you can see I've divided it into three sections: content strategy, content creation, and content promotion. So I'm going to talk about it's going to be a text post, okay? What am I going to talk about? I am going to talk about how can one increase their reach on LinkedIn. Let's just suppose that, okay? And where am I going to talk about it? So I think I'll start talking about it on Twitter, and then I'll promote it on LinkedIn. Then I'll talk about it every day, and I think I would like to keep the frequency to say 2 tweets per day. Okay, so how is the content creation going to be? Let's think about it. So there won't be any need of any caption or description, right? So I'll just leave it blank for now. And structure is going to be, so the first line is going to be a question, first line question, and then description. Content scheduling, I just recently started using Buffer for my personal posts. I used to do it for like my startups posts and for other clients, but I recently started using for my personal posts as well. So what will the benefits for any beginner to grow? So my target audience is beginners who want to grow on LinkedIn. Can start getting one views on their posts. Value they will know what to talk about. This is going to be the outcome, and this is going to be the benefit. So the cross-channel promotion is, again, I think I'll use LinkedIn. So I don't think word of mouth is applicable in this case, but you can definitely use it. Like it comes out automatically. For example, if you see this video and you recommend it to your friends, that will be a strong example of word of mouth promotion. If you have food at a delicious Italian restaurant and then you go and tell your friends, let's go and party there next time. That is a word of mouth promotion. So just to show you an example of content creation, here is my Buffer profile, and I have scheduled something for Monday, and let's do it for Tuesday now. So one of the ways I had described it in one of my earlier videos, you can check it out on your top right hand corner of the screen. You can select the click on the I button and
You can check out that video. So one of the ways of posting consistently on LinkedIn is one of the content ideas actually is sharing the experiences, right? So let's start writing about the same, right? I think this looks good. Let's just schedule it. So this was just one of the example of how you can create content and schedule it. If you want, I can do a separate video on Buffer and a separate video on Canva, because Canva is an amazing tool to create content, especially for because it's so visually appealing, right? So let me know in the comments if you want a video on Canva and Buffer and other amazing tools that I often use. So I hope it was helpful. And if you need help with this, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, um, and I'll help you create a content marketing plan with content strategy. What is the kind of content that you can create and how you can promote it across different channels. Okay. I'll share the link of this template in the description below. You can download it and you can use it for your own content marketing plan. Right.
If you found this video valuable, please like this video, share it with your friends who might want to learn the basics of content marketing. Comment what is the next topic that you would want a video on, and subscribe to my channel. Definitely hit the bell icon. So let's meet next Saturday. Till then, stay safe and take care of yourself.